Alright, so here we are back in the Mad Lab. So what I did was, I programmed the HMI, this one right here, um, to accomplish a timing program. In this instance, three-man ladder of uh, FD Racing. Pilot devices here, I have a hard reset here in the switch. These three buttons each represent a photo eye, a start line photo eye, so there are three people that run this event. These three switches over here represent the push buttons that the judges press on the arch. So what happens is, all this information goes back to the program and is processed through the PLC. And essentially, it'll do all the math. It calculates each individual timer. Each judge's button is on a timer, and he controls when that timer goes off. The program then averages all three times by taking them, adding them all together, dividing by 3. Very basic math program. And the results are posted here. Once that focuses, you'll see it. Alright, so you get the 3-man time. So each timer is there. I have a little analog bar graph to show the time as it rises. Not essential, but kind of a neat feature. And we can change the screen here by hitting that tactile button. And if you can see there's the event time. Now that's the average time right there. You can see you have a reset and clear button, and then you can go to a different screen by pushing this tactile button. Here we are back at this screen. So it takes those 3 times you see on the left hand side, it averages them, and it puts it into a certain memory location, which is shown on the red screen. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to initiate the event by pressing one of those buttons, simulating a photo eye, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw all 3 of those switches, not at the same time, but very close to the same time, so that you could see the 3 different timers show 3 different values, and then I can show you on the other screen the average of those 3 timers. So before I start though, let me show you one thing. That's a stack light, and you can see that it's got 2, a white and a blue on the bottom, but then a typical green, amber, red configuration, similar to the traffic signals that they use to show the contestants at what state the event is in. Green means it's ready to go, amber means that the contest is underway, and red means the contest has been completed. Now I can't tape both the time and the light at the same time. But we're all accustomed to seeing the light change. We are not accustomed to seeing the display change. So I'm going to focus on the display. Let me get it over here. Like I said, I am going to get a good... Let me shut this light off real quick. See if that works. That's not much better. Anyway, I'm going to simulate the event starting. There we go. You can see the bar graph going up. You can see the 3 timers. And what do we say? Right there. That looks like a typical Tim McCarthy 3-man ladder climb right there, if I've ever seen one. 8.68, 8.69, 8.68 twice, and 8.69 on the bottom. It'll average that time. You can see here. There's the time. 8.68. Like I said, typical Tim McCarthy time. You'll notice that the red light is on now. That's typical. We're all accustomed to seeing that. So, Eric, this one's for you. Let's go Rangers. Alright, man. I'll get back to you with some other stuff. Bye.